Good morning, everybody. So let's get into this video. I'm going to be covering some of the bodies I've been working on for RCs. So as you can see here, something a little different. I found a short course truck body somebody scanned in. It was a little wonky. As you can see, some of the edges are a little wonky, so they need to be cleaned up. But I put them into Tinkercad. I can clean up those edges nicely, and I can make any adjustments and modifications. This one's just a basic short course body. This one we have here has the front end of a 2015-2016 GMC pickup truck. So again, you can see it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but I was able to modify it by adding that front end there. Here's another one I'm doing for my Losi Baja Ray. It's a 90s K1500 pickup body with, front end attached to that short course body. The one for the Baja Ray is going to be a little modified because it's going to be stretched to match the wheelbase. Adding, headlight buckets, taillight buckets, making it fit the Baja Ray perfectly. I got to finish cleaning those up, but they're coming along nicely. Another one I found, somebody scanned in, and it was a solid model with some interior details, a Dodge Caravan, older model. Figured it'd be something funny to do, like a drift van. Here's another one. Somebody had asked about this a while ago. I'm finally getting around to it. A C4 Corvette. Needs some adjustments. It's a little wonky. Some details are missing, so I just got to modify and edit that. Here's another one. The Chevy S10. Almost like the S10 Extreme. So already got it scaled and cut to fit a TTO2 chassis. It's going to print in 5 pieces. Should be awesome. Another one I've been wanting to do is a 1970 Dodge Super Bee. This one, it's just a solid model. Another one, the 72 Duster from Married with Children. Another one, I had somebody ask about a G-Series van, so I found a older model and then I modified it to make it fit what the customer wanted. He wanted a specific year grill, which everything else was basically the same except for the grill and the headlights, so I modified those. So now I've got 3 different versions, 3 different grill sets, and it came out really good, and he put it on the truck and it looked great, so very happy with how that one came out, and the test run did just fine. So another one was asked about the Corvette from Corvette Summers. This one's basically ready to go. I'm just waiting for the green light to start printing. It's going to be in 4 pieces, and then the headlight and taillight buckets are going to be separate, and the exhausts are separate. This one is an 87 Lincoln Town Car. A buddy of mine wanted one to replicate his real-life car, so I figured why not, and it came out really good, so can't wait to see it when it's done. Another one I was asked about, Gravedigger. Somebody just wanted to do a Gravedigger monster truck to fit a couple different scales that weren't already available. Another one I was asked to do, Lexus GX460. This one's for a TRX4M. Came out nice. Another one, little story behind this, was the guy's father's car, and he made it a project car as a tribute to him. Came out awesome. Waiting to see what it looks like when he's done painting it. But it printed out nicely. And another one I was asked to do, 2014 WRX. This one's scaled to fit a Traxxas Slash. So again, waiting on a deposit and waiting for got to pull the trigger before I can start printing. This one, 84 Mercury Capri. This came out gorgeous. As you can see, it was scaled for a drag slash. Guy already has it mounted. It came out awesome, and it looks great on the chassis. Another truck I was asked to do, 2016 GMC 2500. Short bed with the extended cab. I also have, or the quad cab. I also have the extended cab. That's another one that can be done for crawlers. Some of the cars from Need for Speed Most Wanted, Earl's Evo. This one should be fun whenever I get around to printing it. A Gen 2 Camaro. Working on fixing the hood and the vents on the front fenders, because there's two different versions there. A first gen Camaro, just because I've always loved these cars. Diora 2, one of my favorite Hot Wheels cars ever made, and I can't wait to test print this one. It's gonna look awesome. So you got light buckets up there in the front and in the rear. Thing's gonna be awesome. Surfboards are gonna be magnets. 72 Monte Carlo. I've done a couple of these already. One is to fit a custom crawler chassis, and it works awesome. It looks cool. Another one was to fit a Traxxas Fortec. It was just a standard Evo 5. And here's a 1950s Dodge. My same buddy who wanted the town car has a race truck, so he had me make this up for him, and he's in the process of beating on it, and it's holding up really well. A F-150 Raptor I made for an X-Max. Guy wanted a Raptor to replicate his truck to fit his X-Max, and I couldn't find any pictures. I know I took pictures of it on the truck, but here we go, a 76 F-150. Printed that one up. Another one, Cat Eye Chevy. Printed one of those for one of my other buddies, and he let his daughter paint it, and it came out looking awesome, kind of Halloween themed. Another car from Need for Speed Most Wanted, Vic Supra. That one should be a fun print, and a fun one to paint. Sonny's Golf GTI, that should be another fun one to print and paint up. A lot of these Most Wanted, the original Most Wanted cars are going to look awesome when they're done. Razor's Mustang, I did a prototype of it that I've been testing on my TTO2. I had to make some modifications, so I will be reprinting that and doing another one. Izzy's RX-8, Taz's IS-300, some more cars from Need for Speed Most Wanted. All of these, I'm looking forward to making all of these, because they're just going to look so cool sitting next to each other. The M3 GTR, still modifying that one. Big Lou's Eclipse, that one. These are just going to be so much fun when I finally get around to being able to print and make them. Ming's Gallardo. Just going to be awesome. Another truck I did was a 55 Apache to fit a Latrax short course truck, and it came out really good for one of my buddies. And that's just there it is. It's just a quick list of some of the bodies I've been working on and test printing, and doing initial runs of. All these eventually will be up on Etsy for sale. They will be available. Some of them might already be up there now as of the time I recorded this video. And, so thank you everybody for watching. Stick around for more. If you like this kind of content, feel free to like and subscribe and hit that little notification bell to be notified about all my newest videos. Thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for more.
Welcome to the BlackList. Welcome to